Good morning, children. So today again we are in chapter 1 only. In the last video, we have discussed about the memory units of computer. Even I have given you a homework also. Hope everyone has completed that, isn't it? Anyways, I'll be checking that when school reopens. Okay, children. So let's begin with today's topic: computer memory. So this computer memory means the stories. Whatever we provide input or after the processing, whatever output is there, that can be stored in a computer. Okay, so based on these stories, the memory of computer are categorized in two parts. You can see here, the first part is internal memory. Internal, and that is external. So internal means inside, which are inside the computer. External means which can be outside, actually which are outside only. Okay, outside means not outside the computer, means without this memory also computer can run. Okay, but internal means without this computer cannot run. That's why internal memory, another name is primary memory, main memory, whereas the external memory are known as secondary memory, auxiliary memory. Okay, now let us come to the part of internal memory, that means main memory or primary memory. So internal means without this computer cannot run, computer cannot be on, we cannot on the computer, we cannot perform our work on the computer. So to make computer run, to make computer on, we need a internal memory. Primary memory is must. This primary memory are again categorized in two parts, RAM and ROM. It is not RAM, okay, it is RAM. Don't make it RAM. It is RAM. There is a full form for this. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. ROM stands for Read Only Memory. The computer speed, the computer efficiency depends on the size of RAM. Okay, so if the size of RAM is good, computer is good, efficient in working. But if size is less, computer efficiency is also decreased, less. So efficiency of computer totally depends on the capacity or size of RAM. Okay, children. But this RAM is temporary memory. Okay, temporary means it stores the data only up to like when computer is on. Once computer is off, the datas whatever were stored in RAM will lost. So temporary memory. That means its requirement. Now why we need this one? To make efficiency, computer efficiency increase. Another part, the memory is required during the time of executions. So when you are drawing something in a piece of paper, in a table you keep scale, then color pencils or maybe sketch colors, then rulers, sharpener, erasers. Okay, so immediate time whatever tools you need, you keep in the table only, isn't it? Same way, when we do any work in a computer, immediate requirement of certain datas, certain inputs that are stored on RAM. But temporary purpose, once electricity goes off, data's lost. Just opposite of RAM is ROM, read only memory. We cannot write on that, we cannot store. It has inbuilt storage. Lots of text are there. When you on the computer you find lots of text written in white color or maybe other color also based on the computer. So that text are actually the instruction which makes computer on. and that instructions are stored in ROM, inbuilt, permanent memory. But today's time, we need to update or upgrade the systems to the latest technology. So when we want to upgrade, we need to write the code again, we need to write the instruction again. So that instruction we can write in ROM only if the ROM has PROM, Programmable Read Only Memory. Programmable Read Only Memory. With the help of program we can edit that. Now another part of PROM, more advanced part, EPROM, Erasable. E stands for erasable. Programmable read only memory. We can erase that. But what do you think? With eraser? No. Ultraviolet ray. With the help of ultraviolet ray, we can erase the program written in ROM and we can rewrite that. Another part, which is the latest one, newest one, today's time in each and every computer they follow or they uses EEPROM, electrically erasable, programmable read only memory. That means here we don't need UV rays, ultraviolet rays are not required. We can erase with the help of electricity, electrically erasable, programmable read only memory. So children, this ROM, which is permanent memory, read only memory, where we cannot write, okay, even if computer is off, the data never get lost, are categorized in three parts: PROM, programmable read only memory; EPROM, erasable programmable read only memory; EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read only memory. Clear children? So this is the part of internal memory, main memory, primary memory. Now let us come to the another part, external memory. External means extra. Even if you keep, it's okay. Otherwise also computer will get run. It won't be disturbed. So secondary memories are also known as auxiliary memory. It is used for data storage. So the main one, the first part I have written is hard disk. Hard disk is a storage device which is inside the CPU box, and all the necessary software like games, videos, images, documents, even operating systems, that are all stored in hard disks. When you on the computer, you get a C drive, D drive, E drive. This C, D, E are known as actually part of hard disk. They are the partition of hard disks. So next to hard disk, we have written CD. CD full form is compact disk, circular size. CD, you have seen CD? It's a circle, round. Okay, used to store datas, but less amount, only 700 MB. MB stand for what, children? Megabyte. Last class already I have told. So the advanced part of CD, more storage, that is DVD, digital versatile disk. Almost 6 times more datas are stored. How many times? 6 times more datas are stored than CD. Okay, say suppose if one movie is stored in CD, then how many movies will be stored in DVD? 6 movies. Clear, children? So capacity is 4.7 GB. So what is GB? Gigabyte. And Blu-ray disc, again with more higher capacity than DVD also. HD, high definitions videos can be stored in Blu-ray disc. It can store the data up to 25 GB, 25 gigabyte. So much data can be stored. Is this clear, children? Now let us come to Pendrive. Now what is Pendrive? A small device, a small portable device. Okay, small device. We can keep in our pocket also. Nowadays almost everyone uses this because we can store lots of information. Okay, there's no limitations. You may get pen drive of 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB, and many more. Capacity is too much, storage is too much, and device is very small. We can carry in our pockets. So most popular device is pen drive. And see, the last one I have written is memory card. In a mobile phone and all, we use a small cheap memory card where we can store our images, songs, videos, and other documents. Okay, they are very portables. So children, except this hard disks, CD, DVD or Blu-ray, pen drive and memory card, we have one more latest storage device or secondary device. I have not listed here, but that is also very important. That is known as cloud storage. So children, cloud storage. So nowadays internet is very popular and they have given us one opportunity to store the data online. Reason, maybe pen drive every time you are not carrying, memory card, it may get damaged. They are the hardware device, physical device. That's why internet gave us opportunity to store our all the important documents in cloud storage. And the most popular cloud storage is Google Drive. Google Drive, OneDrive, Google Drive, they are the example of online storage, cloud storage. And this cloud storage is also a part of external memory. So children, today what we have learned is about computer memory, isn't it? So I have told you internal memory and external memory. What are their uses, their categorizations, and one latest development of internet, that is cloud storage. So this is all about our chapter 1, and based on this chapter the exercise will be given you as homework, and your work is to write down that all in your copy. In fact, in the last video also I have given one homework. So remember children, when school gets reopens, I will be checking your homeworks. So everyone should write down your homework or whatever I am giving as a work in your copy. Clear children? So your homework is this one. So children, your homework for chapter 1 is the total exercise where question answers are given and rest like fill in the blanks, true false, match the following, multiple choice question that you have to do by yourself. So see your first exercise, match the following. You'll get 2 columns, you have to match that. Write straight, like for example hard disk. Number 1, hard disk. What will be the option from here? Secondary memory. Okay, so you have to write straight. In the same way you have to write for ROM, 1 kilobyte and motherboard. So this is your first exercise, that is match the following. Your next exercise is fill in the blanks. You can see some options are given there at the top, like information, binary, secondary, permanent. And there are 4 questions. Each question carry a dash. The processed data is known as dash.
that is informations. In the same way you have to write for number 2, 3 and 4. Now see your third exercise, that is write T for true statement and F for false statement. You have 3 questions in that. Like number 1, the processed data is called information. So you have to write whether it is true or false. This one is true, so for that you have to write T, capital T. In the same way number 2 and number 3 you have to do. And this is the last exercise, that is answer the following. You have question answer. Question is given along with the answer. Your work is to copy and write in your textbook. Write neat and clean. Read this, then write, so that when school get reopens, I will check your copy. Last 2 questions, that is number 4 and 5, is given here. The continuation of the answer the following question. Total there are 5 questions with answer. So this is the end of your chapter 1. The next video will continue chapter 2. Everyone, your work is to complete the exercise in your copy